Hello guys, welcome back to Unported Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. We are here in Wanstead Flats. One of my first drone flights was actually in this area, and yeah, I've decided to come back here to just do another drone flight in this area. And as you can see, there's a lot of fire trucks here because there's a little fire here, but you could see them actually taking out the fire. And I'll show you right now where it's down over there. I'm going to take off and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So drone is up in the sky. I'm going to stop recording on the DJI mic, DJI Action 5, and I'm going to go to the full height. So as you can see, because it's been really hot recently, it's been really dry, and because it's really dry, there was a fire, and you see that black spot, that was where the fire was, but now it's out. But I'm going to do a drone flight and explore this area anyway. So yeah, we're just going to go to the max height. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the 360 photo. So you can see them spraying something, water. We are now just going to zip around. So as you can see, they're fighting fire over there, and there was another fire over here as well. I'm going to show you, this is the big chunk of fire, which looks like it's been tackled. As you can see, they are spraying it with water. So because it's been really hot, there was a fire. As I came here, it was already like this, so it's all black, as you can see. I'm just going to orbit it and show you what it looks like. They're trying to spray it so it doesn't spread. So see, this area is all black, and there was a fire here a couple years ago as well, and yeah, it's been a fire again. Just going to go around. Let's get an orbit shot of this area. Let's do a 360-degree orbit. Alright, we are nearby this area as well, down here. So there's another spot down here where the fire has occurred. What we're going to do, we're going to go down this area. We're going to explore this urban area, which is Forest Gate. Let's explore Forest Gate, which is down here. Just keep going down. Just gonna keep going down. Let's get a proper tour of this area. So you can see the train there as well. That's the Elizabeth line train. No, Elizabeth line train goes through there, but that's not the Elizabeth line. I think that's the Great Anglia. So as you can see, this is the area. I guess tour of it. Look at that amazing shot. Look at that, that's sick. We can go back. What we'll do, we'll get a shot of the other side. Let's explore what's down here, as you can see. Let's explore down here. We'll go this way so we continue to have range. Look at that, that's an amazing shot. Continue to have a shot of this area. And then we'll start heading back. Look at that, there's a fast speed train coming here. Get a tour of the whole area as we come back. So yeah, I could have got that was a really good shot, and I had range because there's a really open area where I'm flying. We'll come to this area as well, Wanstead Park. We've got the other side. We'll check out this little pond over there as well, as you can see. This little pond is down here. And we also got these two block of flats which we're going to go towards as well. So as you can see this pond down here. What we could do now, we'll get a tour of this building as well. We'll go towards it. We'll go a little bit lower down and we'll get a shot going through it. It'll be a really interesting shot if we can get it. Look at that, that's amazing, isn't it? Look at that shot. We'll go through it. That is actually amazing. And what we'll do, we'll ascend and we'll get a shot of Look at that, look at that shot, look at that. We've got all bit shot of this area. And then we'll go to the other building, which is over here. They both look identical, but we'll just get another shot of the rooftop just to see what it looks like. That's actually amazing. Then we'll ascend. Get an ascending shot. And then we'll get a shot going like this. Look at that, that's amazing, isn't it? Let's go down this area as well. Let's get a static shot of this area. We'll see if there's a train coming, which I don't think it is. We'll just turn around now. Let's get a closer shot of what's happening down here. So we've got a bus coming down there as well, we can get a shot of that. So as you can see, we get a shot of what's happening down here. What we do now, we get a shot of what's happening down here. So I can see that this whole area is black. It's all burned. So what we'll do, we'll go straight down this road and we'll get a nice shot of coming down this road. Just keep going down. So we're able to track it the whole time, which is actually insane. Alright, let's track this back. keep going down. Look at that nice shot, golden hour. All right, so what we'll do, we'll start heading back now. We'll reverse it so we if I land it behind it, I won't be able to see it because of the sun. The sun will be hard to see it land. And it will be easy, but it's just easier to see in a direction away from the sun. So I'm going to show you how I land it with my camera. The drone's here. Sometimes it does that, but alright, so that was my amazing drone flight. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next one.